a large cuck, etc. You know, the usual. Oh, this is gonna sound spicy. Scalpers sell sports tickets in front of cops here? Yep. That sounds about right. Cucking is a good starter hobby? Definitely. It teaches you for what switches are in the blackboard. A lot. A lot of switches. So these here are PE stems in broken in cream housings. These are cream stems in zeal bottoms, utemu tops. This is a round 1 tangerine. And all of it is on an FR4 half plate. So the plate is here. There's no plate here. This is PCB mount. But why, Simon? Do you have so many weird fucking switches in the one keyboard? Because it feels good and sounds good. I love it. That's the beauty of this hobby. We can all do what we want. Can someone link the spreadsheet? Which spreadsheet? Ever thought about writing a book? I'm writing some blog posts on my site, illuminati.works. Though I kind of haven't done much with it recently, but I do YouTube videos. And my YouTube content is very different than my Twitch content. It's about like informing people about stuff instead of, you know, memes and screaming. Show me the straight spacebar. You're looking at it. It's there. It is very straight. It is as straight as it gets. Do you do Instagram? Would you do Instagram content? Define content. You mean just take pictures of shit? I have a brand Instagram, which is, I mean, you can do exclamation Instagram and see what it is. But that's for my brand. I don't have a personal one because, like, who cares? I don't really care. Maybe someday. I don't know. Wait, it's not there? Okay, if the link doesn't work, you can do blacksimon.tv/Instagram. That should have worked. I don't know why it didn't work. What up, Bouncy? I think we're gonna have to install bootmap per client to be able to use this, because I don't think this is QMK. Pretty sure this is PS2AV. All right, let's get this out of the way. Here we go. Let's plug it in, baby. Let's plug it in. And let's go to keyboard tester. Oh my God, it actually works. Okay, detective time. All right. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Lovely. Oh, my tab doesn't work. We'll see what went wrong with that. Okay, we're good. All good. Okay, both shifts work. All of those work. Control, Alt, space, Alt, Control. Okay, everything works except for my tab. So let's see what's going on with my tab. That's interesting. It's soldered. Oh wait, no it's not. Oh my God. All right, here, classic Simon moment. Are you guys ready for the classic Simon moment? Classic Simon moment is literally not even soldered. Literally just not even soldered. Q and W, I'll check them. Oh, they're also not soldered. Look, you guys looking? There's Q, there's W. God damn it. How am I so bad? How am I? Bro, I've built like hundreds of keyboards, and like I still fuck it up. I consistently just forget to solder switches. All right, we're good. Is this board hot swap? Yes. Lube the solder. Yeah, baby. That's the good shit. All right, so we know everything works. We're gonna double check by checking the 3 that we just soldered. One moment. Yeah. My cable disappeared. Now let's make sure these work. Tab, Q, E. Yep, they work. Okay, so let us get bootmapper client. We're gonna do this live. We gonna do this live, baby. Detective. No mini Simon. Okay, so we want bootmapper client. Okay, I prefer to get it from the real source. See, this is the one thing I dislike about DuckDuckGo, is it's just like terrible at searching sometimes. All right. Did you check Discord? No. I did not. All right, there we go. Let's see if it works. It works. Yes. We did it. Where's group by? Almost all of them. All right, so we want to replace our caps lock with left control. We want to replace our left control with left GUI. And then that's pretty much it. That's all we need. That's all we need. So we're good now. Let's double check. Oh no, I have to upload. Go, yes. Okay, yeah, there we go. All right, my control is now bound to the correct key. We are now happy. And the fucking cable falls off the table. All right. Now we put this into the Jane. Rips USB port out. Fuck off, dude. Not again. Now check Discord. Stop pinging me on Discord. I hate you. Nice. It's a Coom pad. God damn it. Alright, Jane. See, the best part about the Jane is you get to pay, well, if you buy it now, you get to pay $6,000 to unscrew 87 screws. Our Helios switch is good. They are very expensive. If you're okay paying that price for switches, which you should not be, but let's say you are, and you just have unlimited monies, then yes, they're good. Except for the part where they're not. Fuck, I want that board so bad, just buy one. Just buy one, it's cheap, dude. I think the last unit sold for what, 5.5k? It's cheap, dude. It's definitely worth it. Bro, I've disassembled Janes so often now that, like, I don't even complain about the amount of screws. Simon, can you send me your Jane so I can review it? No, I need to review it first. Never gonna pay aftermarket prices for anything ever. Yes, that is a really, really good way to, like, do things. Like, nothing is worth aftermarket prices unless it's something that's like a grail board of yours that you know you're gonna keep forever, and it means something to you, and it like has immense value to you, then sure. But like, just like paying standard aftermarket, like, I understand why people are paying like $5.5 grand for this and like $6.5 grand for the other Jane, because it is a spectacular keyboard. Like, it is a grail board for sure. And grail in terms of like sentimental value, not grail as in look at me, I'm so rich. Let's get some more light. Bam. I know it's not soft light, I'm sorry guys. But it is light. It's better than no light, okay? Alright, I wish these were properly magnetic, but they're not, and it annoys the fuck out of me. That fucking $6,000 board. Ah, my eyes. Okay. God, these things suck. Okay, one moment. See, the way that I normally deal with this is I go like this, and I do this, and they just plop